Supply chain leaks suggest trial production for the rumored iPhone Fold/Ultra could be indefinitely delayed if Apple doesn't solve hinge design problems on time. If Apple solves the hardware challenges on time, the first foldable iPhone should be announced alongside the iPhone 18 Pro series in September. Early dummy configurations lack magnetic alignment arrays for wireless charging. The Apple iPhone Fold will have a notepad-like design with a 7.8-inch internal display and a 5.5-inch external display. Will pack an Apple A20 Pro chipset paired with high-capacity RAM and around 256GB internal storage, including a 48MP primary shooter and a 48MP ultra-wide-angle shooter. The handset may include a 5,400 or 5,800 mAh battery along with eSIM support. Suggest a price starting at around $2,000, with some reports placing it between $2,100 and $2,300. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.